Okay, I was getting ready to leave work yesterday. Found out I had what looks like a nail in my tire. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but it's in there pretty good. I have a patch repair kit that I'm going to use to repair this. If it doesn't work, I do have warranty on the tire, so I can also get it replaced. So I'm going to try this and see what happens. As far as my repair kit, I have a plug repair kit, and that is my plug repair kit. I think I got it on Amazon maybe about a year and a half ago for maybe 10 bucks, 8 bucks, something like that. But that's what I'm going to use to repair this with. Right now, I have to get the truck jacked up and take the tire off. So I'll resume the video when I get to that point. Let me get the truck jacked up and set on a jack stand right quick. Okay, finally got the truck all jacked up. About to take the tire off. Got the jack under there, and I got a jack stand under there. But I'm going to take the tire off, and I'm going to spray a little bit of water on it. That way I can see if that nail in it is causing it to leak. That's not the nail. I don't know what that is. Pretty sure that's just some obstruction in there that I can flick out with my keys. But I'm about to take the tire off, so I'll unpause the video in just a minute. Okay, got the tire off, and what I like to do when something like this happens is I like to look at the tire and rotate it and make sure I don't have any other obstructions in the tread of the tire, just to make sure I don't have another leak going on. As you can clearly see, that's where the nail is, and it's just about at my sidewall. I'm going to take some spray, well, not really some spray, just some solution, and I have some Windex in a spray bottle. What I'm going to do is, while it's there, I'm going to just spray Windex on it to see if the hole is actually leaking or it's plugged. It's actually plugged, so it's not leaking, but I don't like the fact that it's in there, so I'm going to pull it out. So give me a second, let me get some pliers and pull it out, and then I'll patch it, or plug it, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just doing another recording of this, spraying more spray on it. It's clearly not leaking. I pulled the head of whatever that nail was off of there, and now I'm going to actually pull the nail out. You can kind of, I think, hear the air a little bit as I'm pulling it out. You can see it bubbling. Second, I'm going to rasp this out. Rasp this out, and then plug it. Okay, unfortunately, all my rubber cement glue for my tire repair patch kit has dried up. So I'm going to have to run up to the store and grab some more. So I'll continue this as soon as I get back. Okay, I got the rasper in the hole. As you can clearly hear, it's still leaking. So this is the plug I'm about to put in. I got the glue and everything, and I got glue on it. as you can see. So I'm going to pause the video again here and plug the hole, and then I'll restart the video. Okay, got the plug in there. As you can hear, it is not leaking anymore. And I know some people are going to say, well, that's too close to the sidewall and you shouldn't have did it like that. But I feel comfortable doing it like that. Plus, like I said, I got a warranty on the tire, so that if it does start leaking again or I get another obstruction in it, I'll probably just go ahead and warranty out the tire. But I'm gonna let it sit for just a second, let the glue kind of set for a minute, and then I'm gonna put air in it and check it again to make sure it's not leaking. Okay, I just put a decent amount of air back in the tire, and as you can see, the plug is there. It pretty much sealed the hole and everything after I rasped it out so it would have something to grab hold of. I'm going to spray some more Windex solution on it to make sure it's not leaking. And as you can see, it's not leaking. So I'm going to trim the rest of the plug off and mount the tire, and let my TPS sensor basically tell me how much air I have in it. And right now it's saying that my rear left tire is only at 19 pounds. So I'm going to mount the tire back on the truck and see what it reads then, and then I'll finish topping the air off on it. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, as you can see, with the tire back on, lugs and everything tightened back down, I still have 19 pounds of pressure in the left rear tire. So I'm going to air it up, and you should see this number increase, and it's holding steady so far. Okay, we're all done. I usually run about 42-44 pounds of air in these tires. So I got it plugged, aired back up. As you can see, my left side now reading 44 psi. Thanks for watching the video. You guys have a blessed day.